So I'm just here thinking about worth this morning. We're all inherently worthy. God created us with worth. Okay, you wouldn't sell your arm for £1 million, right? But some of y'all, I'm speaking to the ladies, you're selling your worth for breadcrumbs. Your partner is giving you breadcrumbs and you're accepting that in exchange for yourself, giving far too much. You see, a man will determine your worth based on what you accept. If you've got high standards, he has to put in a lot of time, energy, and effort to attain you. It allows him to feel his masculinity because men like to win. And so he feels your worth through his experience, through the effort, money, time, energy, all of that. But when he doesn't have to do too much, he just offers you breadcrumbs and you accept it. What you're communicating to him is, this is what I believe I am worth. Not what you are worth, but what you believe you are worth. So my advice to you is to start evaluating yourself. Start looking at what you are accepting and know that you wouldn't even sell an arm for £1 million. So why? Ask yourself, why am I accepting breadcrumbs? Ladies, it's time to get to work. Start to go within. Start to value yourself. You are inherently worthy. Know it, accept it, and walk in it. Follow me for more inspiration. God bless.